All right, hello, my friends. Welcome back. So we're going to generate an array with the I function in this lesson. Wait a minute, what? The I function? Well, yeah, the I function allows us to produce a unit matrix. Whoa. What's a unit matrix? Well, it's an n times n dimensional matrix whose main diagonal is 1s and the other elements are 0s. So in short, we're going to be generating a unit matrix with a diagonal of 1 according to the value that we enter into the function. Let me just show you with an example. So we're going to do the import. Let's continue. I'll say NP and call the function. I'll do Shift-Tab, and look at this. We've got various parameters, and when we look at the doc string, it says that it returns us a two-dimensional array. See, there's the parameter n. It will be an integer value for us, and it says it's the number of lines in the input. So see here, the m parameter is also an integer, but it is an optional parameter. And if we enter it, it appears as a column on the input. Now, those who want to can also check some other parameters and customize their output by trying, but I'm not going to wait for you. Okay, so for this example, let's say that we want to produce a matrix of 3 units. So I'm going to write a 3 in it and run it. So do you see? The diagonal became 1, returning us a two-dimensional 3x3 matrix. So for example, let's enter the second parameter. Now, I'll take it from here and paste it. So now I'll say comma and enter the number of columns. For example, let's say that we want to output 2 columns. And now I'll run the code, and you see how it returns us a 3x2 two-dimensional matrix. Now, previously, we played around with the dtype parameter a little bit. We usually replace it with either integer or float. This time, why don't we try to replace it with another data type, like Booleans? Let's see what that would look like. So I'll just take it from here and paste it below. Now I'm typing the dtype parameter and putting my data type in it. I'll say bool. And let's have a look. So we're going to run it. Okay, so Python sees 1 is true and 0 is false. And look at this. Since we changed the data type, dtype, to bool, it translated all the elements accordingly. So you see how the 1s became true and the 0s became false? Oh yeah, my friends. Now you see. But I'll see you in the next lesson.